Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got something really exciting to talk about corner wall rack design idea. If you have been wondering how to make the most of that unused corner space in your home, you are in the right place. We have got some fantastic idea to share with you. So let's start our video. What is a corner wall rack? Well, it is a smart and stylish way to utilize those corners that often go unnoted, whether it is your living room, kitchen, or bedroom corner. Wall rack can be a game changer. Let's talk about floating shelves. These are a simple yet elegant choice. You can install them in any corner and they provide a perfect spot to display your favorite decor items, books, or even some indoor plants. Next, we have corner cabinets. These are excellent for storage and can be customized to fit your needs. You can use them in the kitchen for cookwares or in the bathroom for toiletries. They are practical and make great use of space. Now let's spice things up with zing wall racks. These are perfect for adding a touch of creativity to your home. They create a unique display area for your collectibles or even small photo frames. If you are the crafty type, don't worry, DIY corner racks are a fantastic option. You can repurpose old wooden crates or pallets to create custom corner shelves that match your decor style perfectly. Before you rush out the get your corner walk racks, here are a few tips. Consider the material size and colors to match your room. Measure the corner space correctly to ensure a proper fit. So there you have it, some fantastic corner walk rack design ideas to help you make the most of your space, whether it is for practical storage or enhancing your home aesthetic. There is a corner wall rack for everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor ideas. See you the next time.